Super Easy Drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow heart. At first, I draw a simple heart. Great! Now let's draw a face for our heart. I draw two beautifully cute eyes for her. A smiling mouth, and finally, cheeks under the eyes. And small eyebrows here. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For the coloring of this cute heart, I am going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red, then orange, yellow, light green, blue, and finally, purple. I use pink for the cheeks and red for her mouth. Adorable! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.